This Japanese-style tiny home exemplifies the beauty of multifunctional design, where every element serves multiple purposes without sacrificing aesthetic or comfort. At the heart of this compact space is a rotatable cabinet arrangement that transforms into a dynamic room divider. These pivoting cabinets act not only as practical storage on both sides but also as flexible partition, allowing the resident to easily shift the space between open and private modes. With the simple rotation, the cabinet becomes a wall, a shelf, or even a display, responding the changing needs of the day. Beneath the central zone of the home is a raising floor system, which creates a subtle elevation that separates the private sleeping area from the semi-private or communal space. This thoughtful zoning solution maintains openness while still defining personal areas. Within the raised floor are sliding drawers that provide hidden yet accessible storage for clothes, bedding, and other essential, and perfect for maintaining the minimalism cleanliness associated with Japanese interiors. Additionally, cleverly integrated into the platform are small ladder traps, compact compartments that house collapsible ladders or steps, enabling smooth vertical movement to loft bed areas while keeping the floor clear when not in use. This combination of rotate cabinet and multi-purpose raised floor reflect the core values of Japanese architecture: efficiency, elegance, and adaptability. The result is a living space that feels open, organized, and highly responsible to modern tiny home living.